Can you introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Tristan Dagenhart, and I'm the product line director for Switchvox products at Digium.
Okay, great.
Yeah. So,
Christian's going to show us a little bit about. Christian's going to show us a little bit about the Switchvox product. It's called Switchvox. Okay, great. Is this like a number product, or what is the product number of this one?
So this product is Digium's product, and the version is Switchvox SMB. What we're looking at is version 3.5, and it was released about 3-4 months ago.
Okay.
So it's a fairly new product, and it's targeted at the small and medium business market.
Great. So maybe we can head into a demo and check out some of the stuff.
Yeah, so Switchvox is actually designed to be a phone system for small and medium businesses. And what you're looking at is Switchvox's user interface, which is built on top of Astricon. There are appliances running there over there on the table, if you can see those. And so it comes all packaged together, and it's all controlled through this web interface. So there's the administrator's interface, which is what we're looking at right now. And so from here, I can do everything from set the network settings of the machine. I can add cards, I can look at different reports that run, I can add extensions and everything like that. So this is the main control panel for the PBX.
Could you show us some reports?
Oh, sure. I can show you some reports. So I'm going to go into diagnostics, and I'm going to go ahead and look at the queue reports. The show floor just opened, so not sure how many reports we've got, but let's see what we have. I can do total calls by queue. I can select the queues that I want to see. And then I can do things like choose a date range. I'm just going to leave it for one day since the machine just came up. And I'm going to go ahead and view the chart of this. And it's going to, if we had more queues in here, I could see which ones are the busier queues. So right now we have one queue, and here's how busy it is. I can also get details about my agents or my callers, how long people have been waiting in the queue, and things like that. Besides having the administration panel, though, all of these tools, each end user has their own set of tools, and that's what we're looking at here. So over here you can see I'm looking at extension 102.
So this is kind of like the user portal.
That's exactly what it is. It's the user portal for this phone. So extension 102, I can affect changes that only affect this phone, whereas as an administrator I can blow up the whole PBX if I want to. So from here I can do things like check my voicemail, I can set my voicemail options, I can record my greetings. But one of the most exciting things in here is the switchboard. So I'm going to hit launch switchboard, and it's going to pull up a panel that helps me control my calls and see what else is going on in the system. So I'm going to go ahead and call into extension 102 with my cell phone here. And what's going to happen is that this whole thing will refresh. Anything that's valid to refresh, basically. And it'll show me some data about my phone number, even before I answer the phone. So it's ringing. This is going to reflect that it's ringing. So here I am as a wireless caller. And it's actually ringing into a queue. So there's a bunch of people ringing. There's a number of phones here that are ringing. It also has gone ahead and stuck a pin in the map for San Diego. And it has looked at my caller ID. I'm blocking my caller ID, but right now this would show maybe a business name. And mind you, I haven't even answered the call. So I can make a decision on if I want to pick it up or not. It's integrated into Salesforce. It shows me real-time queue statistics.
So if, say, someone else called, then we'll just keep adding flags out here?
Yes. It would keep adding flags, and I would be able to, it would actually stack them up. So one of the things that I do is, man, where was that person calling me from earlier? Oh, San Francisco. I remember now. So it'll jump around, and I can retrieve information that way. And I can add notes in here. It'll integrate directly with Salesforce, Sugar CRM.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. So what if, say, you receive a call and you want to transfer it without picking it up? Can you do things like that?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm going to go ahead and call back in and show you what that looks like. It's very easy. It's ringing. So it's going to throw me into the queue. And let's say I don't want to answer this. I can either send it directly to voicemail using this button, or I can grab the call and I can send it like to a parking lot, for example. So just by throwing that on there. And it'll show up parked in here.
Oh, okay.
So
you just have to drag the call and you're... Okay, very cool.
Other people, you can drag it directly into the voicemail. I can click to intercom.
And I guess it got the number this time, so...
It did. It got the number that time.
Okay.
Nice. And it's offering to do a free reverse phone look.
Oh, really? Wow, okay.
So I can see a lot lot about people when they call.
Okay, sounds very cool.
I can also create custom panels. So all of these panels you're seeing, except for the Google panel, are standard.
Okay.
But the Google panel was actually created in the administration area. So I can integrate with Facebook. I can integrate with Dun & Bradstreet. I can integrate with Blogger. I can integrate with anything that I want because it's a web application.
That in there.
It's just a web service, and so depending on what your job is, you can completely customize this switchboard. So a receptionist might have all phone book, or a salesperson might have sales tool, tech support person has tech support tools.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Good done.